Baro kinong ilam ka UDP kumju nakaliang ka sarkar jela hapo kajilam jong konrad ke sangma kilai kendo lang ne ka step kan mau burom ya ka jingdap sisnam u presiden barim jong ka parti Dr. Don Kuparoy da ka jing dawai hayik jong u ha kan ni ka singi jan baro gimnesta jong ka sarkar jela kan thup kinong ilam jong ki pat ki parti ki balaiwan bani simenta lang ha ka te ka jing kan mau burom ya Dr. Don Kuparoy da ka jing dawai lang ha ka jing sha lapun bai bakan don ka program ka wakam he ban kan mau burom yau te nomi khmat ka sela ha assembly hendrai na ka daw bakan don ka lockdown lapun ka ria no swa hadian kani katuk ni kinoy lam jong parti kila hiar sesela pandai bu sentio ha ka jaka tep jong u hasela la bangkado hangni bau Dr. Don Kuparoy laklat no akar pratrik unai tung arja ka khandai hanong ba deli hadian bolo yo pang katuk ni por swabu unklat Dr. Roy lolong ru lampang jong ke yeng do ba thau an ka jala ba presiden ke UDP ya ka kam jong u la simti no do ba met ba ling do ameli kamerang kumu presiden ke UDP ba lampang ke yeng do bar u Dr. Don Kuparoy long ru no elam bola rembat barang ba jong ka jala ha ka baw labat ru kum mitrang ba bat ha ka ju kupor kum sumbut mitrang ba kum chairman ka state planning board ya ka kam MLE na sela la simtino do khun jungu ba balajit sendra bala job ha ka election siting somai house nam arja ka khandai
for all these years. He's been an instrument. He's been an example. And we hope that all of us will remember all the good things that he has done. We acknowledge the contribution, the dedication of this great leader to each and every one of us who are in this room, and also for the welfare of the people of the state in all the years that he has served as a member of the Legislative Assembly from the Sierra constituency.